Hello my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Let's learn mathematics together. The aim of this channel is to help students overcome the fear of mathematics by learning concepts of mathematics very clearly. In this session, let's learn about the chapter Quadratic Equations, which is part of NCERT as well as CBSE 10th Standard Mathematics. Here, the numerical is find the roots of the following quadratic equation, that is 1 by x minus 1 by x minus 2 is equal to 3, where x is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to 2. I'm your trainer Venkatesh K. Now let's proceed with the solution. In order to proceed, let's note down the numerical. The expectation is we will have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Now we observe that the given equation is not in the form of a quadratic equation. In order to convert that, we will have to simplify this given equation to get a quadratic equation. In order to do that, let's take LCM of the LHS. Upon taking LCM, because the denominator contains variable x and x minus 2, let's multiply both to take the LCM. Therefore, the first term would be x minus 2 and second term would be x in the numerator as written here. The simplification further would be denominator x multiplied by x minus 2, x into x is x square and x into minus 2 is minus 2x. Now open this bracket in the numerator, that is x minus 2 out minus x. Therefore plus x and minus x would get cancelled in the numerator. We would be left with minus 2 by x square minus 2x is equal to 3. In order to simplify further, now let's transpose the denominator to the RHS. Because it is getting divided by here, upon transpose, it would get multiplied to 3, the way we see here. That is minus 2 is equal to 3 into x square minus 2x. On RHS, multiply 3 to both the terms. 3 into x square is 3x square plus 3 into minus 2x is minus 6x. Now, let us transpose minus 2 from LHS towards RHS. Upon transpose, minus 2 would become plus 2. We would be left with 0 on the LHS, or the same equation could be written as 3x square minus 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here what we have done, we have swapped the terms of RHS towards LHS and LHS term, that is 0, towards the RHS. Therefore, we have got 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. Now we observe that this equation is in the form of standard form. That is, the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. Both the standard form and the equation contains first term as a x square term, second term both contain a x term, and third term is a constant term. On comparing the coefficients of x square term and x in both standard form as well as the equation what we have simplified, we see that wherever there is a, there is number 3. Wherever there is b, there is minus 6. Wherever there is c, there is plus 2. Therefore, on comparing both, we've got a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 2. In order to find the value of x, let's use quadratic formula. Quadratic formula says x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now, wherever there are a, b and c term, let's substitute by plus 3, minus 6 and plus 2 in the formula. By substituting, we will get minus of minus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 3 into 2 whole divided by 2 into 3. As a part of simplification, let's open this bracket. Minus of minus 6 would be plus 6. Plus or minus square root of minus 6 whole square is minus into minus would be plus. 6 6 are 36, that is plus 36 is what we are getting. Minus 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, that is 24 whole divided by 2 3s are 6. Therefore, 6 plus or minus 36 minus 24 is 12 whole divided by 6. Now, square root 12 can be written as square root of 4 into 3, or if we take square root of 4 out, because 4 is a perfect square, then we would be getting 2 root 3. That is, this 4 has moved out of square bracket, wherein we are left with 2, that is 2 root 3 it is. By substituting, instead of plus square root 12 or plus or minus square root 12, now I will be substituting with plus or minus 2 root 3. The same could be rewritten as x is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 whole divided by 6 and 6 minus 2 root 3 whole divided by 6. Because it is a quadratic equation, it can have maximum 2 number of roots. Those 2 roots are what we are getting here. Now, because we see 6 here, 2 here divided by 6, now this has 2 as a common factor in both numerator and denominator. Similarly, in the other value of x also. Now let us take 2 as a common factor. If we take 2 as a common factor, then we would be left with 2 into 3 plus root 3 whole divided by 6, and in the second root 2 into 3 minus root 3 whole divided by 6. Now 2 ones are and 2 threes are is what we see here. Therefore, x would be equal to 3 plus root 3 whole divided by 3 and 3 minus root 3 whole divided by 3. These two are the two roots of the given equation. 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. These are the required two roots. Thank you.